Hi there and welcome back. My name is Mina Samsian. Today we are going to learn turn section of our animations, which 2 weeks before we learned how we can make a slide animation and a screen splash. If you are interested in you can find the link below. I'm leaving the link below in the description. You can see it and to come to know how you can make this animation in Figma. And today we are going to learn third one, which is bar animation. At the end of the day, we will see this kind of animation like this. For making this animation, please open the Figma. I have already made one frame here, which you can see iPhone 13 Pro is here. I made a rectangle here and I add a photo from Unsplash, which is free. You can make it, but from the plugin, which plugin is here, and you can go to photos and windows. You can find, I choose just landscape and I choose one picture from that. After that, I made one circle here. Then I draw one circle here and add my picture there. I wrote something here for my name. Now we are going to make one rectangle here. Just is up to you. Height can be 15. I'm going to make this fill none, but I'm going to make a stroke. Corner radius should be 15. I'm zooming to see it better. Just make it center. I'm going to duplicate it. Here I'm going to write 15 and 15. Hit enter. It's 15. I think it's better to make it a little bit the height bigger. For example, 22. We can make it in center here. We can choose both of them to go there, and I'm going to fill it with one color, but not a stroke. Just fill. I'm going to give this color and a little bit, bring it a little bit here. Yes. Now activating this text, I'm writing here next. Just be sure that it's in center. Yes, it is. Duplicating this frame one time more. I'm going to see we can bring it a little bit. I think that it should be a little bit bigger. Choosing both of them, center is 24. It should be also 24. Let's bring it a little bit closer to see what's going on here. Yes, it's good. Choosing it again, duplicating one time more. I'm going to delete this next because now we are going to make this complete active. It should come to complete. And here, for example, I'm writing some text here. I'm going to fill it with plugin Lorem Ipsum here. For example, 4 sentences to generate. Should be regular. It's good. Now we are going to see how we can prototype this. Going to prototype section. I'm going to connect this frame to this second one. On tab, navigate to this and the smart animate. Here I'm going to ease in and ease out 600 milliseconds. And the same for second one and the same properties. And for second one also same properties, as you can see on tab, smart animate. And if you want to, this frame goes back to first one, you can connect it to first frame, which you can see the same properties on tab, Smart Animate Ace In and Ace Out. For going to presentation mode, just please select the first one, because we have to start from the first one. We are going here. As you can see, I have two flow here. As I click here, you can see bar side is going to be fill, and the third one is complete, and the text is coming here. This function is like this and like this. I wish you learned this technique and you are going to use this technique in your design. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe the channel. Hit the bell button to be informed about new update animations videos. And thank you so much for watching this video, and see you in next time. Bye.